Hey everyone, my name is Raphael with Shomo DJs, and I'm gonna share with you the unboxing of the Gemini's AS-2115BT-LT pack. Comes with a stand. They're pretty versatile speakers, very lightweight, and I like using them. Even though people are like, "Oh, you should use more expensive speakers," these do just as good as any other speakers. So I just wanted to show you what's in the box. Here's the speaker in the box, and here's actually one that I got a while back, but we're not going to focus on that one. We're going to focus on this one. Have this open. Get this. Alright, and these speakers actually come with a stand. About $315. It comes with a stand, which is very, very nice. The stands usually aren't all that high quality, but honestly they work. That's what I was aiming for. And not only do they come with a stand, they come with a microphone. There's a microphone in here. As you can see, very lightweight. I could pick it up with one hand. Gemini's. Then here is the remote and the power cord. There's the power cord right here. And the remote with the owner's manual, which I never really read. And that's all that's in the box. Take a look at the speaker itself. I have it upside down, so I'm going to put this down just for a second. There you go. There you go. Speaker itself. On top of another Gemini speaker. Don't blow these speakers off. Very high quality and recommended. They are 15-inch power root woofers, 2,000 watt peak power. They even have party lights, 3-channel mixer, bass and treble controls, Bluetooth, wireless dual stereo linking, multimedia USB SD player, and flexible inputs. The 2,000 watt in itself is pretty awesome. Here is the back of it. The link mode to the other ones. Three channel. So yeah, don't sleep on Geminis. These are hell of speakers. Definitely recommend them.